up, guys? This is the Nemesis Coupe with a quick video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your EVAP Purge solenoid or EVAP Purge Valve, whatever you want to call it, on your 2017 Ford Mustang Ecoboost. So this is the 2.3 liter turbocharged engine, and you're going to need a few things before you get started. You are going to have to take the cover off, which I already did. There are going to be two 8mm nuts and two 8mm bolts. And then you're going to need a 10mm socket and a 90-degree pick. So, first things first, you're going to want to take that 90-degree pick. You're going to want to pull this tab here. It should click. Alright, it should click about twice. I made the mistake of thinking it was completely off, and it was not. And then press down on this tab, pull that sensor harness off, and then that hose should just fall off like that. Take your 10mm socket and ratchet or impact driver, whatever you have. And then down here you have this little red clip, which you can just get with your fingers. This you can just kind of push. Now be careful, it does kind of fly off, so go ahead and pop that out. And it is a little tricky, but there is on the other side of the hose, there is almost like another tab, but you got to press it in and it releases these clips on the inside. It should pop off like that. So let me just show you real quick. That, and then releases those. All right, there's that. And you get your new one and install it in the reverse order that you took it off. Pretty simple. Now this thing did have a check engine light code P144C, which is for the EVAP Purge solenoid performance during boost. So we went ahead and replaced the purge valve. So there you have it. That's pretty much it. And obviously make sure everything's working properly. Go ahead and clear the code, and if you need to do an inspection, take it for a drive cycle, reset those emissions monitors, and you're all good to go. All right, I hope this video helped you, and I'll catch you guys next time.